Upwork versus Fiverr. What is the best website for making money online? So this is Upwork and this is Fiverr. And for you to make money on Fiverr, you have to be able to rank your gigs. And then on Upwork, you don't need to rank anything. You just search for something that you love doing. I love making websites, right? I can just search here on Upwork and see the work that is available. That is easy, right? You can just see this one, click here, and then you read what they want you to do and just submit your proposal to them, telling them why you are the best person for making them a website. So just type the money that you want them to pay you and you get this is your total amount of money that you get paid. And just select your range, or you want to work with them for how long, and then type here to satisfy them on what you can do, and then after that submit your proposal. Then on Upwork, just need to create your gig and optimize it for SEO, search engine optimization, so that you can rank on Fiverr. That is a hard thing to do, people, because these people, and also you have to have influence so that you can send people there. On maybe you have a website, your YouTube channel, just send them here, and that is the process, guys. So I remind you that you take Upwork.com. that is an easy way to make money online. But if you can rank, if you are on social media and you have maybe 1,000 followers, that is Fiverr will be the best place for you. So subscribe to this channel if you want these topics. And if you ever tried Upwork or Fiverr, just comment below, and also click the like button. Guys, if you want to make money with your website, your YouTube channel, or on social media, or you love web design, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.